Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install nodejs using N. N is a simple to use nodejs version manager for Linux. If you already have npm, then installing N and then the newest LTS node version. So let's start by installing npm with this command sudo apt install npm, enter password. Okay, now type y to continue installation, and this will take some time depending on your active internet connection and the processor speed. Okay, npm installation complete. So test it now. Npm dash dash version. Okay, now install N using npm with sudo privilege sudo npm install dash gn, and this will take some time. Okay, now type this command with sudo privilege sudo n lts, and this command will install the latest stable version of nodejs in your system, and this will take some time. Okay, now test the installation with this command node version. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.